Today, we'll begin an absolutely new topic, natural regions of the world. So, what is a natural region? Natural regions refers to the part of the Earth's surface which has comparatively high degree of uniformity of structure, surface form, and climate within them. Now, when you look at the natural regions on the world map, you will find some colors are prominent in certain latitudinal extent. This is because the climate changes with different latitude. Like the latitudes between 0 degrees to 10 degrees, it is green colored. So green color here, it means that it has equatorial type of climate, and all these areas which are colored in green will have the same climatic conditions. And these climatic conditions, they affect the soil, vegetation, occupation, human adaptation, animals, wildlife, and the crops and the trees grown. Likewise, when you see at the pink color, which is just above the equatorial region and below, these are the tropical and subtropical region, and they have their climatic conditions of tropical and subtropical region. Few variations are there within a particular climatic region because of the local winds, ocean currents, or distance from the sea, but by large, climatic conditions are uniform. Therefore, we can say that the basic factor on which the world is divided into various natural regions is climate, and they affect the flora and fauna of any region. Hence, the names of the natural regions are as follows. We can say is the equatorial region if we start from the 0 degrees towards the 90 degrees north and south of the earth. So first is the equatorial region. This region receives direct rays of sun and has very high temperature throughout the year, and therefore it has hot and wet climate throughout the year. And the forests are very dense because of daily rainfall. Deciduous tropical forest. These kind of forests, they receive seasonal rainfall and therefore they shed their leaves in the dry season to withstand the non-rainy seasons. The trees have very broad trunks and long roots to store water in them in the non-rainy season. Next, the tropical grasslands. These are the semi-arid and semi-humid climate. Rainfall received is moderate, and you will find more grass and very little trees, very less trees here and there scattered found over here. The tropical deserts, which are found in the areas which receives very little rainfall. The summers are very hot and winters are cool. Here there is a total absence of vegetation. Some cacti grow here, but that is also very rare. Summer temperatures are very high. Rainfall received is less than 25 centimeters, and xerophytic plants grow here. They adapt themselves to the dry conditions. Next type is the tropical monsoon type of climate. Here, this area receives summer rainfall. That is why we can say that it also receives seasonal rainfall. There is luxuriant growth of climbers, epiphytes, ferns, and bamboos in this region whenever the area receives heavy rainfall. Next, we also find the temperate grasslands. These grasslands have cool, temperate, oceanic and continental type of climate. Rainfall is low, therefore short and soft grasses grow. These are the total treeless plain. Now, the temperate deserts are found in latitudes between tropical and polar regions, and they have typical or they have similarity to aridity and lower temperatures than the tropical deserts. Some of the examples may be the deserts in North America, such as the Great Basin and the Atacama Desert in Chile, along with the arid regions across Eurasia and China. Now, the Mediterranean type of climate is different from the other types of climate in the sense that they receive rainfall in winter season and summers are dry and therefore short moisture retentive trees grow here, especially the citrus fruit trees. Now, the Tiger region, which receives severe long winter, rainfall is between 25 to 100 centimeters throughout the year. The form of rainfall in winter season is in the form of snow. Therefore, evergreen coniferous forests are found here. The tundra region is totally towards the polar region. They are therefore referred to as Arctic or polar climatic region. Here the climatic conditions are very harsh. They have very long winters. No trees grow here. Only few plants like mosses, lichens, sedges, hardy grasses grow as the growing season is only for 3 months.